Have you ever wanted to create realistic and alive cities in Blender, but couldn't find a single all-in-one resource that shows you how to create it step by step? That's why the folks at CG Boost just filled this gap by releasing the Master Urban Environments course. The goal of this course is to make anyone able to bring their imagination to life with handy workflows that you can apply to any project. Also, if you get this course before the 10th of March, you will get an exclusive animation-ready robot rig to use in your projects. And the coolest thing about this is everything you see here is made without any third-party add-ons, all within Blender. Of course, it takes time without add-ons. Note that this is not a membership. Once you get it, you keep it forever with free future updates. Okay, so let's talk about what is included in this course. It includes over 29 hours of video content separated into different chapters. You will begin with how to find references, how to arrange them, and build ideas to craft a compelling story. After that, you will learn how to block out your scene for your city. Now, what's block out? It's, in short, developing the foundations of the city with basic 3D primitives to better understand the scale, proportion, and location of everything we will be creating. And from chapter 4 to 12, we can start modeling our city. The good thing about modeling is that it's pretty straightforward and doesn't stray much from the few general techniques. It means you will quickly become familiar with the modeling workflow. Throughout the lessons, you are going to model a large variety of buildings like this, and a water management facility, some apartment buildings, a big gate that separates the city, and even these massive skyscrapers. And you will be able to create any building design in little to no time. After that, we will go through techniques for creating UV maps efficiently for our models. In chapter 13, we will be creating realistic textures and layered weathered materials from scratch, developing custom edgeware and dirt systems, creating realistic chipped paint, and much more. And the final part of this course is all about arranging our scene, and this is the most important part of the course, because we will be filling the scene with all the props such as wires, pipes, air conditioning, and a lot more to make it look and feel alive, including animation. And finally, we will learn how to render, composite, and all the best render settings according to our scene. All of this is explained in full detail. At the end, you will have a rendered animation showcasing your intriguing urban environment. So guys, this course includes pretty much everything that you need to create a beautiful urban environment. If you are interested in getting this course, I have provided the link to it in the description below. Also check some other amazing useful courses made available by CG Boost. And of course, if you like this video or you found it useful, you can give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, it's gonna be amazing for you to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.